Welcome to Creative World. In this video, we will solve Chapter 2 exercise problem number 2.66. While solving this problem, we will be using total series resistance calculation formula. R equivalent of a series connection is calculated by taking the sum of all resistances connected in series connection. We also will be using parallel equivalent resistance calculation formula of two parallel connected resistances. R equivalent of two parallel connected resistances is calculated by taking the product of both resistances dividing by their sum. Now move towards the problem. Exercise problem number 2.66. Read the scenario. 17 possible equivalent resistance values may be obtained using 3 resistors. Determine the 17 different values if you are given resistors with standard values 47, 33 and 15 ohm. In this scenario, it is asked to make 17 different configuration of resistances using these 3 standard resistances. And it is also instructed that the all equivalent resistances should be different in values. So without wasting time, let's proceed towards the solution. We will start from first configuration. Circuit diagram of first configuration is provided here. In this circuit, we will calculate R equivalent between these 2 points labeled as A and B. The equivalent resistance of this circuit will be only 47 ohm because this connection is open, so these both resistances will not contribute in the equivalent resistance of RAB. Move to the next configuration. In this configuration, the resistance is swapped with 33 ohm. So again we will find R equivalent between these 2 points. RAB will be 33 ohm in this case because these two resistances are not contributing in the equivalent resistance of RAB. Move to next configuration. In this configuration, we will swap this resistance value with 15 ohm. Actually, we have placed all 3 resistances one by one on this position to make 3 different configurations and 3 different equivalent resistances. In this case, R equivalent between these 2 points will be 15 ohm only. Move to the next configuration. Now we have connected 2 resistances in series and one resistance is opened by this point. Again we will calculate equivalent resistance between these 2 points. In this case, this 15 ohm resistance will not contribute in the total resistance of RAB because it is open circuited. So total resistance RAB will be equal to the sum of these 2 resistances because these are connected in series connection. RAB will be equal to 80 ohm. So we have solved fourth configuration. Move to the next fifth configuration. In this configuration, we have swapped these 2 resistances. Again, in this case, the total resistance will include only these 2 resistances. Sum of these 2 resistances will be equal to RAB, that is 62 ohm. Move to next configuration. In this configuration of resistances, 33 ohm is swapped with 47 ohm. Calculate equivalent resistance by adding these 2 resistances together because these are connected in series connection. Their sum will be equal to RAB, that is 48 ohm. Up to this point, we have calculated equivalent resistances of 6 different configurations. Move to the next configuration. In this configuration, these 2 resistances are connected in parallel connection and third one is open circuited. So the equivalent resistance of these 2 parallel connected resistances will be equal to RAB. We will calculate their equivalent resistance using this formula. R equivalent is equal to product of both resistances divided by the sum of both resistances. In this case, R1 will be 33 ohm and R2 will be 15 ohm. Place values inside the formula. Product of 33 and 15 will become 495 and sum of 33 and 15 will become 48. 495 divided by 48 will be equal to RAB and this is 10.31 ohm. Move to the next configuration. In this configuration, 47 ohm resistance is swapped with 33 ohm resistance. Now again, the equivalent resistance of these two resistances will be equal to RAB and this equivalent resistance will be calculated using this formula. In this case, R1 will be 47 and R2 will be 15. Place values inside the formula. Product of 47 and 15 will become 705 and sum of 47 and 15 will become 62. Divide 705 with 62, the answer will be 11.37 ohm. Move to the next configuration. Now 33 ohm resistance is swapped with 15 ohm resistance. Again we will calculate their equivalent resistance using this equation. In this case R1 will be 47 ohm and R2 will be 33 ohm. Place values inside the equation. Product of 47 and 33 will become 15, 51 and sum of 47 and 33 will become 80. Divide 15, 51 with 80. The value of RAB will be 19.38 ohm. So up to 9th configuration, either one resistance or two resistances were engaged in the circuit. In coming configurations, all of three resistances will be engaged for the calculation of R equivalent. Move to the next configuration. Before starting this configuration, I would like to introduce you with this table. Because in coming configuration we are using three resistances, so I have made this table and we will follow this table while making the circuits of resistances. In this table, S indicates series and P indicates parallel. In first entry, it is indicating that all of three resistances will be connected in series connection, while in second entry, it is indicating that 47 and 33 ohm resistances will be connected in series connection and parallel to 15 ohm. Similarly, in this entry, it is indicating that 47 ohm and 15 ohm resistances will be connected in parallel connection and both resistances will be connected in series to 33 ohm resistance. In upcoming 8 configurations, we will follow this table to make connections. Start from first entry of the table. All resistances are connected in series connection as it is indicated in the circuit diagram. Now we will calculate their equivalent resistance between these 2 points. Their equivalent resistance will be equal to the sum of all resistances because these are connected in series connection. So RAB will be equal to sum of 47, 33 and 15 ohm. Value of RAB will be 95 ohm. Move to next configuration. In this configuration, 47 ohm resistance and 33 ohm resistance are connected in series and both of these are connected parallel to 15 ohm resistance. Here is the circuit diagram of this configuration. In this circuit diagram, these two resistances are connected in series. So first we will calculate their equivalent resistance that will be equal to the sum of both resistances. R equivalent of these two resistances is 80 ohm. Now we will replace these two resistances with a single resistance having the value of 80 ohm. Now these two resistances are converted into parallel connection. We will use this equation to calculate their equivalent resistance. R1 will be 80 ohm and R2 will be 15 ohm. Place values inside the equation. Product of 80 and 15 will become 1200 and sum of 80 and 15 will become 95. Divide 1200 with 95. RAB will be equal to 12.63 ohm. Move to next configuration. In this configuration, 47 ohm resistance and 15 ohm resistances are connected in series and both are connected parallel to 33 ohm resistance. Circuit diagram of this configuration is provided here. Again we will calculate their equivalent resistance. First of all, the sum of these two resistances will be calculated because both are connected in series connection, and these resistances will be replaced with their equivalent resistance having the value of 62 ohm. Now we will calculate their equivalent resistance using this equation. In this equation, R1 will be 62 ohm and R2 will be 33 ohm. Product of 62 and 33 will become 20, 46, and sum of 62 and 33 will become 95. Divide 20, 46 with 95. RAB will be equal to 21.53. Move to the next configuration. In this configuration, 33 ohm and 15 ohm are connected in parallel, and both of these are connected in series with 47 ohm. Circuit diagram is provided here. So we will solve this circuit to calculate equivalent resistance. First of all, the equivalent resistance of these two resistances will be calculated using this equation. In this equation, R1 will be 33 ohm and R2 will be 15 ohm. Product of 33 and 15 will become 495. Divided by the sum of 33 and 15 will become 48. Divide 495 with 48, it will become 10.31 ohm. Modify the circuit by replacing these two resistances with a single resistance having the value of 10.31 ohm. Now the circuit is converted into a series connection. Add these resistances together to calculate equivalent resistance RAB, that will be 57.31 ohm. Move to next configuration. In this configuration, 33 and 15 ohm resistances are connected in series, while both of these resistances are connected parallel to 47 ohm resistance. Circuit diagram is provided here. Solve this circuit diagram to calculate equivalent resistance. First of all, these two resistances will be added together because these are connected in series connection, and their equivalent resistance will be 48 ohm. Now replace these two resistances with their equivalent resistance. These two resistances are converted into parallel connection. Find their equivalent resistance using this equation. In this equation, R1 will be 48 ohm and R2 will be 47 ohm. Product of 48 and 47 will become 2256, and sum of 48 and 47 will become 95. Divide 2256 with 95. Value of RAB will be 23.74 ohm. Move to the next configuration. In this configuration, two resistances 47 and 15 ohm are connected in parallel, and 33 ohm resistance is connected in series with these two resistances. Circuit diagram is provided here. Solve this circuit diagram to calculate equivalent resistance. First of all, we will calculate the equivalent resistance of these two resistances using this equation. In this equation, R1 will be 15 ohm and R2 will be 47 ohm. Product of 15 and 47 will become 705. Divided by the sum of 15 and 47 will become 62. Divide 705 with 62. The value of R equivalent of these two resistances will be 11.37 ohm. Now replace these two resistances with their equivalent resistance. The circuit is converted into a series connection. Find the equivalent resistance RAB by adding these two resistances together. Sum of 33 ohm and 11.37 ohm will be 44.37 ohm. Move to the next configuration. In this configuration, 47 ohm and 33 ohm are connected in parallel, while 15 ohm resistance is connected in series with both of these resistances. Circuit diagram is provided here. Solve the circuit diagram to calculate equivalent resistance. First of all, the equivalent resistance of these two resistances will be calculated using this equation. In this equation, 33 will be R1 and 47 will be R2. Product of 33 and 47 will be 15, 51. Sum of 33 and 47 will become 80. Divide 15, 51 with 80. R equivalent will be 19.38 ohm. Now we will replace these two resistances with their equivalent resistance of 19.38 ohm. Circuit is converted into a simple series network. Find the equivalent resistance RAB by adding these two resistances together. Sum of 15 ohm and 19.38 ohm will be 34.38 ohm. Move to the last configuration. In this configuration, all of three resistances are connected in parallel connection. Circuit diagram is provided here. Solve this circuit diagram to calculate equivalent resistance RAB. First of all, we will calculate the equivalent resistance of these two resistances using this equation. Product of both resistances divided by their sum. Product of 33 and 47 will become 1551 and sum of 33 and 47 will become 80. Divide 1551 with 80. R equivalent of these two resistances will be 19.38 ohm. Replace these two resistances with a single resistance having the value of 19.38 ohm. Now again use this equation to calculate the equivalent resistance of these two resistances that will be equal to RAB. R1 will be 19.38 ohm and R2 will be equal to 15 ohm. Product of 19.38 and 15 will be 290.7 and sum of 19.38 and 15 will be 34.38. Divide 290.7 with 34.38. RAB will be equal to 8.46 ohm. So we have calculated 17 different equivalent resistances using these three resistances with different configurations of circuits. You may see that all of the 17 equivalent resistances are different in values from each other. This was the major condition in this scenario. So this was exercise problem number 2.66. Thank you. See you again in next video.